Alright, we'll go through and show you guys where I got this turret programmed at. Currently, we'll go back to the main view here. Like I said, I'm just going to kind of flip through these screens, kind of see where I got things set at, and then hopefully maybe you guys will see something that's out of place. Basically, let's see, aircraft, I got 4 rotor selected, a mounting, speed controller, there's an arrow on it, pointing this direction, so I've selected that. I'm not really sure if I need to adjust, counter my X, Y, and Z at all on my GPS. I'm not sure if I need to move that. That's one thing I haven't tried yet. All my switches all work. I got everything programmed from the GPS to the fail safe. Back. Everything's centered into trims. I'm using just a normal conventional, receiver. My gains, I've just kind of pretty much set it up to the standard size drone. Channel mapping, all my sticks are moving in the right direction. I've calibrated quite a few times. The channels I'm not using, I just unmapped them. I've wrote to the flash after every change. Go to the next one here for the advance. Motor idle speed, recommended is where it's at. If I move it up, it will increase a little bit. You can notice it. A fail safe. I don't have that set up on a button, or the home button I don't have set up, but I do have set up a 3-way switch for fail safe. And I do also have this set up for point of interest or whatnot, depending on what we want to do there. Voltage, I've calibrated that. I've selected 3S LiPo, which if I go and select that now, it'll I've gotten it recommended, but I've hit calibrate. Everything there looks good as far as I know. Let's see the limits. That's just flight limits. That's nothing that should affect me right now. The gear, I got the gears off. Tool. I just noticed a minute ago before I started recording that this here was bumping above 2, which over here it says if you're going above 2 you should recalibrate it. So I just recalibrated it and it seems to be staying lower now. So I haven't tried it since that. I'm not sure if that's enough to do it or not. Yeah, like I say, I'm just kind of showing you guys my screens here and see if you see something that sticks out. And then go back to info. I think there's another upgrade to a 105, I think, that I can still upgrade to, but I might do that later on, but I haven't got it yet. But that's kind of where the program's sitting at. And then as far as the drone, don't really have good lights. I got the the arrow of the puck is facing towards the flight. I got the flight controller centered, and I can move that. If I need to move that around a different position, I can. Yeah, so I don't really know. Like I say, every time I try to take off, it just has no power in the motors. It just at basically an idle speed, and that's anywhere on the stick. So basically I just got a DX6i, so once I get the blades moving, I get right up here is at 0, so anything above that should be starting to increase the motor speeds up. But like I said, I can take it all the way up to the 100, and I don't get any difference in motor speed from the 0 to the 100 spot. I get no increase at all. And I've double and triple checked all my angles in the software to make sure that I don't have a channel reversed. But like I say, if you guys see something, point it out to me. I appreciate it. And thanks for all the help you've given me so far. Thanks.